Hi, ma'am and sir. Good day. My name is Jean Ostan. I am 33 years old. I was born June 30, 1991. I am from Banga, South Cotabato, Philippines. I am single. I have one son, 11 years old. And then I have experience as domestic helper in Kuwait from 2016 to 2020-24. So I work for them for almost 8 years. I'm leaving them because I'm finished contract again. Then I don't have plan to come back because they don't give my benefits for 8 years. I do households like cooking, go to the market, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, take care of the elderly, take care of disabled person, and take care of baby. To my future employer, if you hire me, you can trust everything to me because I am kind person, dedicated to my work, and trustworthy, hardworking, especially loving to the children because I'm treating them like my own children. Thank you, mom and sir, and see you.